Hello guys, welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. I'm getting ready to can some sweet potato hash, if you will. So I have here roughly about 6 medium-sized potatoes, sweet potatoes. I have here some sausages that I'm going to saute in some onions. All right guys, now that I have my sausage cut up and my onions, I'm just going to saute till I get my sausages nice and brown. Hey guys, as you can see, I added some Spanish sweet potato, also known as Japanese sweet potato, because I had some, and that is my preferred sweet potato, and this is what they look like. So since I had it, I went ahead and added in there, which I'm going to go ahead and can in a few minutes. I'm going to bring you over so this is what the sausage looks like. Still has a little bit to go. I forgot to mention that when I let these hang out in cold water, I add a little bit of salt. I added half a tablespoon of garlic here. And now I'm going to be adding my sweet potatoes into it. For garnish, I'm adding some parsley. I'm not trying to cook my potatoes at all. I'm just trying to get a lot of the flavor in there incorporated, okay? Now I'm going to be transferring them to my mason jars. So my jars I got 4 of them ready. I'm going to add just a little bit of vegetable stock. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you how much broth I added. I only added up to there. I don't want to fill it all the way up. I have already make sure that I take out any air bubble by using a spoon or anything to stir it a little bit with to ensure you don't have any air bubbles trapped. I have disinfected my lids. All I'm going to do now is place them here like so and get them finger tight, and then they will be ready for the canner. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that you have to add 3 quarts of water to your canner before you load it. All right, guys. So my canner is loaded. All I'm gonna do now is place my lid, and you see where that V is? It needs to line up with that V. I don't know, can you see it? Yeah, that V. So we're gonna I'm using one hand because I'm holding the phone. One hand. Okay, so there you go. So all we're gonna do is lock it into position as so. And I already turned on my stove. And the only thing I'm gonna wait for is to get a steady steam from this valve. Here we go, steady steam. So it's now time to put our timer for 10 minutes. Okay, our 10 minutes are up. Now we're going to place our weight. And then all we're going to do is wait until this reaches 10 pounds of pressure, or 11. Once it reaches the 10 pounds of pressure, then we start the time again to an hour and a half. Okay, so we have reached the 10 pounds of pressure. Right now, I'm going to give it an hour and a half. And it's all set. All I'm going to do now is just wait for the timer to go off, at which time I'll turn everything off. Okay guys, so our timer has gone off, and so our pressure canner is done canning. I'm just going to wait until it gets to 0, and this is down, and this is not wiggling like it is. And I'll show you in a little bit. It should take about 20 minutes to reach the cooling down process. Guys, I wanted to mention the reason it was an hour and a half is because there's meat involved. And here we have it, guys, all done. It's still bubbling, as you can see. I'm very, very, very happy with how this looks because the potatoes didn't fall apart. They're perfect. Now, I will say that the bonita or the Spanish sweet potatoes, they have a tendency to get dark. But that's fine. When you warm them up, they go back and, to a lighter color. But anyway, I am very, very pleased with the outcome of this. Very pleased. Let's see the one in the back. Look at that. This is just a thing of beauty, you guys. Beauty, beauty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. And I forget the other part I'm supposed to say. Anyway, thank you guys. Have a blessed day and stay safe.